Hi and welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to use Family Zone in Literacy Pro. To access the Family Zone page, you can either go to the student dashboard and click on Family Zone in the navigation panel, or click on Access Family Zone from the My Results page here. In the Family Zone, your parents or guardians have a complete overview of your reading experience and performance, including reading interests, reading report card, weekly activity, quizzes taken, recommended books to read. Now let's take a look at the alerts. Click on Notifications Alert now to open the alert reports. The alert reports show your performance or activity outside the usual range of expectations. If your progress is within the normal range, there will be no alerts. However, an alert will be shown if your performance or activity falls outside the normal range. Click X to close this page. Now, let's take a look at the Family Zone in detail. Your parent or guardian will receive a summary write-up of your reading activities, including how many books were read, and quizzes taken so far. The Family Zone will also display your choice of reading categories. You can change these categories anytime. Refer to the student dashboard video on how to change your interest categories. The reading report card provides an overview of your Lexile measurement details, points earned by reading ebooks and attempting quizzes, and your certificate tier. Your family can also click on the year-on-year report to see your progress over the years if past historical data is available. To see this report, click View Report. You can see the report in normalized view, or as a bar chart or a listing. Click X to close this page. Under Students' Activities, you can see a summary view of books read or quizzes taken based on the current or previous school year, if data is available. Under Books Read and Quizzes Taken, you will see title or author, Lexile, word count, completed on date, quiz score, points earned. Click on View More to expand and see all the hidden details. The last section of the Family Zone shows a list of book titles recommended for your reading. Click on the book covers to see more details about each book. You can click on Read Book to start reading or take the quiz when you are done reading. To see more titles, click on Explore More Recommended Books and it will bring you to the library page in Literacy Pro. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you need more help or guidance on Scholastic Literacy Pro, reach out to your account manager or Scholastic customer service and we'll assist you further. Have a good day.